Welcome back to all the amazing viewers of the Best Reviews channel. If you're looking to transform your backyard into a stylish, functional, and all-season outdoor retreat, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 5 impressive hardtop gazebos that bring together durability, smart engineering, and modern design. From heavy-duty steel roofs to wood-look aluminum frames and built-in drainage systems, these structures are designed to handle the elements while giving you the perfect space for relaxing, dining, or entertaining outdoors. Let's jump right into the countdown. Number 5. The Aoxun Hardtop Gazebo. The Aoxun Hardtop Gazebo features a rust-resistant aluminum frame with a wood-look finish and a double galvanized steel roof for better airflow and efficient rain and snow runoff. Available in sizes from 10 by 10 up to around 12 by 20 feet, it offers spacious coverage for patios and decks. It includes zippered privacy curtains and fine insect netting on a track system, along with integrated hooks and a built-in drainage design. When properly anchored, it's built for dependable all-season use. Number 4. The Domi Hardtop Gazebo. The Domi Hardtop Gazebo comes in larger sizes like 12 by 14 and 12 by 20 feet, often with a gable-style roof and wood-grain aluminum frame. Its galvanized steel hardtop is designed for year-round protection, supporting strong wind and heavy snow loads when securely installed. Reinforced joints, pre-drilled bases, removable curtains, full zip netting, and ceiling hooks make it a versatile outdoor pavilion for dining or lounging. Number 3. The Purple Leaf Large Gazebo. The Purple Leaf Large Gazebo in the 12 by 20 class features thick 4.7-inch aluminum posts and a double galvanized steel roof built for strength and airflow. A built-in gutter system directs rainwater through the frame, while upgraded 260-gram netting and yarn-dyed curtains provide flexible privacy and insect protection. Designed as a heavy-duty backyard pavilion, it offers generous space for gatherings and events. Number 2. The AMERLIFE Gazebo. The AMERLIFE Gazebo combines solid fir or spruce wood beams with a black metal double roof for a sturdy timber-style look. Available in sizes like 10 by 12 and 13 by 15 feet, it's designed for wind and rain resistance when properly anchored. Its standout feature is the integrated bar and shelving concept, providing counter space and storage for entertaining, grilling, or outdoor kitchen setups. Number 1. The HOTEEL Gazebo. The HOTEEL Gazebo is available in 10 by 12 and 12 by 20 sizes, offering expansive coverage for seating sets or hot tubs. It features a galvanized steel double roof over a reinforced aluminum frame, engineered for high wind and significant snow loads when securely installed. With built-in drainage, powder-coated protection, flame-retardant curtains, fine netting, and ceiling hooks, it's built for dependable year-round outdoor use. And that wraps up today's countdown on the Best Reviews channel. We hope this overview helps you explore durable and stylish options for upgrading your outdoor living space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.